This is my website. I'm creating ad call. How to create the Google launching for new ad is called smart ad. Means it we can create by the Google ad and AdWords and the AdWords Express. First of all, you can log in for google.com/AdWords. Is a newly launcher for Google ad is called smart ad. Now click for sign in. So every AdWord you can sign in for the URL will be always google.com/AdWords. So you can sign in with your Gmail. That is called totally previous is a 5 campaigns. Now we'll be adding for 6 campaigns. Previous 5 campaigns: search, display, shopping, mobile, and YouTube. Now listen adding for one more is called smart ad. So in this one, go to campaign, create a new campaign. So in this, create a new campaign. These are totally subcategories: sale, leads, website traffic, product and brand consideration, brand awareness and reach, and app promotion. Now click for campaign. In this call, we select by the search, display, shopping, video, and apps. So newly will be released by the smart application that is called. In this, we can select by anyone. You can go for the smart application that is called. You can go for sale, leads, website traffic, product and brand consideration, and brand awareness and reach, and app promotion. So in this, I'm selecting for brand awareness and reach. I'm selecting for smart techniques. I'm selecting for smart techniques. So in this, the setting for 5 campaign. The new campaign will be called your subcategory: sale, leads, website traffic, product and brand consideration, brand awareness and reach, and app promotion. In this, I'm selecting for brand awareness and reach. This will be supported by 2 options: display and video. How to know? Before that, campaign type: display and video. Select it. So which one you are selecting? Display you can select by video. So where I can display our ad, where you can display your ad, that it will be any third-party website which was approved by the Google AdSense, which was approved by the Google AdSense. The ad will be showing for in this pattern. That is called header, inline the content. So just loading the page. The ad will be showing for a particular news portal website. The ad will be showing for like this. This is all nothing but display ad. People easily display your ad. So you can refresh. It is eligible by mobile version. It is eligible by desktop. Your ad. What are the create your Google AdWords? The ad will display by the Google AdSense. In this second one, video. Video ads will be 2 types: skippable, non-skippable. Skippable and non-skippable video. So any YouTube videos, any browser if using ad blocker, the ad will be unshown by the YouTube channel. So this is one kind of YouTube video. YouTube along with the text and along with the display. And next one, to promote any one video, select the option. Their video will be 2 type of ad. One is the display, second will be non-skippable and skippable video ad. So video will be playing here. See the ad, yellow color. This will be ad will be display or non-skippable and skippable video. And video right side also they showing for display ad. The display ad will be showing for which webs approved by the Google AdSense, and they showing for your YouTube channel videos also. Now coming to this one, the ad will be showing for like this. So any video you can open it. The first of all, see by the skippable and non-skippable video or display ad. See this one. This is called skippable video ads. We're showing for skip ad. This is for display ad. Non-skippable less than 6 seconds. Skippable more than 6 seconds. If any ad will be created by the non-skippable video ads less than 6 seconds. Skippable video ads more than 6 seconds. So just close. Select your smart campaign. In this, I'm selecting for anyone you can select. Video, skippable in stream, bumper, non-skippable and out stream. Total we have the 4 type of ads. So what is the out stream? Out stream nothing but when people searching for any keyword. This ad nothing but out stream. This ad nothing but out stream. Nothing but your YouTube search results. Our ad showing for YouTube search results in the first position. That is called out stream. Is it clear? Skippable, bumper, non-skippable and out stream. You can see skippable. Get efficiency, impression and reach with the skippable in stream ad more than 6 seconds. And second one, bumper ad. Always 6 seconds below. There is a bumper ad. Next, non-skippable. Share your entire message within the 15 seconds. One more option. Bumper will be 6 seconds. Non-skippable will go into 15 seconds. So your ad will be created will be 2 options. Bumper will be 6 seconds. Non-skippable will be 15 seconds. So any video will show by the only for 15 seconds. So I'll show your non-skippable. Continue. I'll show this option. Which one? Non-skippable. Always remember only we can select by the less than 15 seconds video. Campaign name. Video ad 15 seconds. Campaign daily. I'm selecting by 500. Always remember when you finish this 4 option will be tick mark. Your campaign will be success will be created. Which one? Your budget, bid, your YouTube video and video ad format. Ad format nothing but they select by the daily and your ad format. Which one? Non-skippable. And start date as soon as possible. End date. I mentioned only for 1 day. No need to display by the end date. And target CPM. My always bidding strategy will be target CPM. Cost per mile. Nothing but cost per 1000 impression. When people saw the 1000 times that video, it will be charged. Or else only one option eligible. Why? Non-skippable is target by the CPV or CPM. Only for CPM. Please note down. So this will be selected by the CPM. Next, the video display by the total option. Video partner and display network. Allow decide which way YouTube search and below on this option. Next one, YouTube search results. Close. YouTube search results. Close. Why? They support only for skippable videos or outstream videos, but they support only for outstream video ads. Search will support by outstream video ads. Skippable and non-skippable not supported by the YouTube search results. Please note down. YouTube skippable and non-skippable not supported by the YouTube search results. So clear? And YouTube videos. Just language all. Location. I target my video only for Hyderabad. Where? Hyderabad. Next, inventory. Standard. Excel content. Show on all. Excel type of label. Show on all. Next, create a group. Video ads. 15 seconds. Demography. Any age, any gender, any partial status, and any household income. I'm promoting for general ad to reach by any audience. Suppose if you change your option, change your particular audience. Unknown, unknown, and unknown. And remove by unknown. I can target by unknown person also. That's it. Is it clear? So everything not in place. Is clear? Now, audience, any audience. I'm not selecting the particular audience. I'm selecting for all audience. Keyword, any keyword. And topic, any topic. And any placements. Placements will be a YouTube channel, YouTube videos, website, apps, and app categories. It's supported by the all categories. And CPM bid. Every 1,000 impression, how much you charge? 1 rupee. The bidding will be clicked. So close. So I'm adding for 1 rupee. Bidding will be accept. Last final one, add your video. Add your video. Select it. Any video, 15 seconds video. I'm selecting for this video. And paste it. What is called? Non-skippable will be permit. Yes or no? Non-skippable. Why? Is the 15 seconds video ad. They showing for websites and they showing for YouTube. Two areas will be promoted. One is a website and YouTube. Website will be called which is approved by the Google AdSense. They show your ad will your website also. And suppose more than 15 seconds selecting video. This will be I'm selecting here. Close it. Add it. What happened? This video too long. Choose video 7 to 15 seconds. Do not accept it. It's clear? That is called you can add by any video by 15 or less than 15 seconds. Select it. This is the option. The final URL going to your particular YouTube channel. Done. And one is mobile, second will be desktop. So they are applicable by the mobile version and the desktop version. So finally, auto-generate using video from YouTube channel means the image thumbnail will be accepted by your video ad image, or else upload your own image. Ad name, video, 15 seconds. Now save and finally the ad will be confirmed by your option. See this on ad approval, brand and awareness and reach, standard inventory, target CPM, all languages, ad group 1, ad will be 1. Continue to campaign. Your ad will be successful with create using smart techniques. For showing for eligible. So when add your payment, the ad will be running successfully. In this campaign will be checked. Go to all campaigns. Anytime you can campaign will be paused or delete the campaign totally. Two options are eligible. Campaign will be paused and delete your campaign. So any campaign will be running time. You can pause will be here. Where is my delete option? Select this one. When selecting this one, here will be showing for remove. After selecting your total campaign, you can remove option will be eligible. But any campaign will be stopped, only two options, enable and pause. Anytime you can enable, anytime will be pause. Why? Because here no certain time period and particular schedule post. Any video ads. So this is called, we can derive the smart technique ads using by individual category ads. This is called smart category ads on Google AdWords.